Welcome to your favorite channel, Kiddo Color Club. Here we draw, color, and have fun with art. Today, we're making a funny pig dad with glasses and a big smile. Let's go! Let's start drawing. First, draw a big round belly just like a chubby happy dad pig. Then add a long face on top, with 2 ears and a piggy snout with 2 little circles. Now give him big round glasses, a smiley face, and some little beard lines. Draw thin arms, thin legs, and a tiny curly tail. Look how funny and cute our pig dad looks. Now let's mix some fun colors, something a little different today. White color, blue color, red color, yellow color. White plus blue equals light sky. White plus red equals light pink. Yellow plus red equals orange. These are the colors we'll use to paint our pig dad. Let's color it now nice and slow with your favorite crayons or markers. Face and body light pink. Shirt light purple, eyes black, cheeks orange, glasses and beard black, nose dots gray.
With glasses round and beardy chain, with glasses round and beardy chain, with glasses round and beardy chain, with glasses round and beardy chain. Pig that walks with a jolly gray. Pig that walks with a jolly gray. Pig that walks with a jolly green. Pig that walks with a jolly gray. Pink and purple, cheerful style. He makes us laugh with every smile. He makes us laugh with every smile. He makes us laugh with every smile. He makes us laugh with every smile.
Wow, your pig dad looks just like a real cartoon star. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Color Club for more drawing, coloring, and fun every week. See you soon. Bye-bye.